In this video, we're going to have a look at multiplying terms. We could simplify an expression by multiplying terms. By simplifying an expression, we write it in the most efficient manner without changing the value of the expression. And I'm going to suggest 3 steps to go through. Step 1, we multiply the number first. For example, if we had the problem 6 times 3a, we would multiply the numbers 6 times 3, being 18 times a, 18a. Step 2, list all the variables that occur in the terms being multiplied in alphabetical order. Let's take an example. 2 times C times 5 times A times B. So step 1 we still follow, but we'll do that in a minute. We're going to list everything in alphabetical order with the numbers first. So we'll reorder it 2 times 5, and now we'll put in A times B times C. Going back to step 1, multiply the numbers first. 10 ABC, omitting the multiplication sign. Step 3, we're going to add the powers of like pronumerals. For example, 4 times x times 2 times y times x times x. So let's follow step 2 and put everything in order. 4 times 2 at the front. They could be in any order. The x's are now next listed and the y on the end. So we're going to use powers to multiply like pronumerals. First of all, step 1, 4 times 2 is 8. X times x times x is x cubed. And we've got multiplying by y on the end, omitting the multiplication sign. Let's just try one more that's a little bit more complicated. 6x squared times 4x cubed y. Let's reorder this, and we can separate this as 6 times x squared times 4 times x cubed times y. In order, 6 times 4, numbers first, and then we've got an x squared and an x cubed and the y on the end. Multiplying the numbers is step 1, 6 times 4, 24, and adding the powers x squared times x cubed. Well, that would be x times x times x times x times x. That is 5 x's being multiplied. X to the power of 5, and then we've got the y on the end, omitting the multiplication sign. Try and do your x's like curly x's or italics x's like I have, so you don't get them confused with multiplication signs.